You're welcome to yet another interesting section. Today we're going to be looking at some of the tools in Photoshop and what they are used for. So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please, I would love you to do so. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. First, what we have here is our move tool. Move tool is used to move your canvas around. Let me zoom this backwards a little, Control minus or Command minus. Then you come to your right hand, your layer properties, and make sure you've unchecked this. Now you see, we use this to move. Now, that being said, you have an option of also creating multiple documents or layers in this particular environment. So what you do is that you have to go to your artboard. When you go to your artboard, you drag through, click on plus, either ways to go horizontally or you go vertically. You see, you can do your designs in this. Command Z or Control Z. Our next tool is mask tool. Click and drag through the subject you want to copy or cut. You can use backspace to delete this particular portion you've selected, so it's backspace. Or you're going to veer cut. Veer cut, it actually cuts that particular portion into another layer. Now we can see that it has actually cut it out, while the original layer does not have that particular portion we selected. So if we go to veer copy, Command Z, if we go to veer copy, it's going to copy the selected area into another layer. And like you can see, while you still have the original, we have the new selection into another layer, and then you still have the original. That being said, so we also have